One day, Down Mouse goes to see his friend Country Mouse.
Hello, Country Mouse.
Hello, my friend. Long time no see. Come in. Have some food.
Thank you. Oh, very nice.
Have some more?
No, thank you.
Down Mouse thinks the food is strange. He doesn't like it very much.
It's late. Let's go to sleep. You can have my bed tonight.
Oh, thank you. Good night.
It's very dark and quiet here.
He doesn't sleep at all.
Good morning. What a beautiful day. Let's go out.
Look, what's that?
It's only a cow.
Hello, Country Mouse.
Well, do you like the country?
It's strange here.
Life is good in the country.
Yes, but I like the town better.
Why?
Because the town is warm and dry, it isn't dark at night, and there's a lot of fields.
Let's go there.
Yes, go with me and see.
I'm going to town. Hurry up.
Thank you, driver.
What a lot of people.
And what a lot of noise.
This is my house. It's good to be home. Come in.
Thank you.
Bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, bing bong.
What's that? It's only a clock. It's late. Let's go to bed. You can have my bed tonight.
The bed is very strange.
I don't like this bed.
Country Mouse can't sleep at all.
Oh, I'm tired.
Come on, let's get some food. Meow, I'm hungry.
What's that?
It's a cat. He wants to eat us. We can go now. We can go. Look, cheese. Stop, don't touch that. It's a trap.
Oh dear.
Do you like the town?
Yes, but I like the country better.
You like different things.
Hello, Country Mouse. I'm coming to the country. Come on.
Goodbye. Write to me.
Bye. Thank you. It's good to be home again.
It's always good to be home. It's good to be home in the country, and it's good